Hello everybody. I am coming to show you guys how I am going to do my corn on the cob. I am going to make fried corn, and I've already shucked the corn, pulled the husk off, and I've gotten the silk off and checked for any worms or anything, and I've washed it well, and I have 6 ears of corn. I'm telling you, God is so good to me. People are always blessing me with different kinds of foods, and these were a gift. So I have the corn here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut it off just like this. I'm going to cut it off like this. I'm going all the way around, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to get it off and how I'm going to go about frying it. It's already been washed and it's clean and everything, and once I get all the corn off this cob, all the corn that I want off the cob, then I will show you what I will do next. But this is what it looks like when you get it off the cob. And so just demonstrating a couple of them to let you see. You see what that corn looks like in there? And I'm gonna show you, here's another one. And this is white and yellow corn mixed. Some of them, most of them are just yellow corn, but this one is yellow and white corn. And I'm just getting it off the cob like so. And I am going to fry it and show you what I'll do and how I will fry it. I will use flour, milk, and a little sugar, and I'll mix all that together, and I'll start my corn to frying in a little oil, and then I'll add butter to it, but I'll show you. But you see this? This is all you do, and I'm going to go off camera and do the rest, but this is what the corn is looking like. You can see it in my dish here. This is it. I'm going to make fried corn, and I'll come right back.